Hi, this is Saskia from Paper and Journaling, and thanks for watching. And today we're going to create super fun envelopes. I didn't paint the back, but if you want, you can do that as well. It's easy, it's fun to do, so let's get started. And what you need is of course an envelope, some paper, and of course paint. I use some stick-its, some post-its for the white piece in the middle. And oh, before I forget, don't forget to subscribe and to like my videos. That would be nice, thank you. And for the part where the address is coming, I simply do this. The paint is going a little bit under the post-it, but that's not a big problem. I will show you how you can cover that as well. And for the paint, it's I always drop a little bit of water in it and everything through to each other. That makes it just a bit nicer. And then paint like a little child, just the fun of painting. I always like to do this. It gives me a childish feeling. You don't have to do it beautiful, only to be sure that there is no white left on your envelope. And then dry it, of course. And then the second part is to ink your envelope in the way you want. In this case, I have some correct pattern, and I can cover everything through each other. That's no problem. But if you don't want to, then you use an empty piece of paper to put over your stamped work, and then you don't have that your ink is coming everywhere. But that's the way you want. In this case, it doesn't matter. And then it's already finished. Oh, well, not almost, because we have to cover up the paint layers if you want to. I use the same color from the ink of the envelope, just to make a hard line so that it's all covered. But you can make a nice pattern in it, or if there is a big drop, a sticker or something like that. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching and hope to see you next time. Bye bye!